In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PineScript in TradingView full guide. If you've ever wanted to build your own indicator or strategy, PineScript is the language that powers custom tools on TradingView. I'll walk you through the exact path to get your first script onto a live chart, keeping it simple and practical so you can follow along without getting lost. Start by opening a TradingView chart. Any market and time frame will do. The important part is that you're on the main charting page where you can see price candles and the top toolbar. This gives you a live canvas to test and visualize your script immediately. From here, look for the Indicators button on the top toolbar. Click it to open the Indicators and Strategies window. You'll see built-in indicators, community scripts, and a section for your own creations. We're heading to your personal area so you can store and manage scripts you write yourself. Inside that window, switch to the Personal tab. This is where your private scripts live. If you're just getting started, it may be empty, and that's perfectly fine. It simply means you're ready to create your first one. Now select Create Your First Script Now. This opens the Pine editor at the bottom of the screen. Think of it as your coding workspace. You'll type your script here, and TradingView will compile it for you. If you don't see the editor, make sure the panel is expanded so you can comfortably write and review your code. It's time to write your script. Keep it small and clear while you're learning. Define what your script is, choose whether it's an indicator or a strategy, and describe what it should plot. Including a version directive at the top ensures compatibility with the current Pine version. Add comments to explain your logic. They help you quickly find and fix issues later. If the editor highlights any errors, hover over the message to understand what needs adjustment. Remember, even a single missing parenthesis can stop the script from compiling. When your code is ready, click Add to Chart. TradingView will compile and apply your script instantly. If there's an error, fix it in the editor and try again. Once it's on the chart, you'll see your plots appear in real time. You can verify the behavior by switching symbols or timeframes to make sure the script reacts as expected. That's it. You opened a chart, found indicators, went to your Personal tab, created a new script, wrote it, and added it to the